TikTok.
John Vincent, Kristy, bawat pangarap ninyo sa buhay, bawat layunin ninyo sa buhay, bawat gagawin ninyo sa buhay, ay pagsasaluhan na ninyo. Yan ang ibig sabihin na kayo'y pinagkakaisa ng Diyos. Sa pamamagitan ng Kanyang grasya, kayo ay mananatili sa pag-ibig ninyo sa bawat isa.
Wow! Thank you. My dear husband, please accept my gift. This watch symbolizes the start of time that we will share together as husband and wife. I will love you every second of every day, counting down the minutes until we tie the knot. It's about time that I got to marry you, together until the end of time.
Mahiwaga, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Mahiwaga ang nadarama.
Hindi ko lubos maisip na yung minsang nasilayan ko sa Facebook at sinungitan ako, i-mai-inlove pala sa akin in the future. Sana bigyan na tayo agad ni Lord ng baby. Happy wedding day to us, mahal kong asawa, and I love you.
Kristy, do you take John Vincent here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of the Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Mahiwaga ang nadarama, sa'yo'y malinaw. Sa minsang pagbali ng hangin, hinila patungo sa akin.
Thank you. My dear wife, this necklace and pendant is a token of my love. The heart pendant represents my heart. As you wear the necklace, it will be near to your heart. I hope you will always remember me even we are not together. As my duty calls, I will be far away, but always remember that my heart stays with you.
Sa yakap ng iyong
John Vincent, do you take Kristy here present for lawful wife according to the rite or Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. iwan